Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. So I hope you people are doing good. We all know that UPSC has released the exam date of prelims 2023. In today's video, I am going to share a short overall plan for UPSC CSE 2023. So in this plan, I have included 380 days, 375 days. Out of 382 days, I have taken 375 days, and these 375 days I am going to divide into four phases. That is, under phase 1 we have to finish reading our NCRTs and we have to build a strong foundation. And under phase 2 we are going to start our optional paper, and we have to also finish two any GS papers, and we have to start reading newspaper. So once we are done this, in phase 3 we have to start our optional paper 2 and other two GS papers, and along with this we have to start writing answers, and we have to revise optional and other GS paper that we have already completed. So after this, the last phase is about prelims. So once you have 3 months left for prelims, you will go into this phase and you will give exclusive time for prelims only. So this is how you are going to study for the next 375 days. So the detailed plan for each and every phase will be given in the next video. So this is all about the overall plan that I'm going to give for 2023 aspirants for the next 375 days. So the first phase, which is about foundation and reading NCRT books, this phase schedule and this phase strategy will be given in next video. Until then, take care.